God. Yeah, that's quite close. Nice shots. Incoming. Hit, moving out. Fucking probably that sniper's gonna get me. Surely that hit him. Wayne's having a pop at me. Yeah, you say that. Yeah. Oh. I can't see him, his camouflage is just too good. Yeah. There. Yeah, fuck off, I got you. Go on, my 12! Go in. Come on, Wayne, where are you? He's been hit. Go! There's a fucking lot of them. They're saying that a lot of our team are back at spawn for some reason. Not spawn, I mean safe zone. Fucking, I've got my buddy lining his fucking sniper up. There's loads of them over there. I can't see any of them, but they seem to be able to shoot me. Where's my fucking stock gun? There it is. There's not much to move around here either. But I have no idea where that is.
The guy who shot me was in the porch right on the fence line.
I think I see someone. No, that's a leaf. Oh, actually, yeah, he is. He's on my 12. I think he's out of my range. Fucking if my red dot was working.
Where is he in relation to the two big oak trees?
You see those two trees that are growing out the same position, like a V shape? It's like, it's probably that big oak tree is blocking it. I saw him through those. I still see
way behind the second oak tree.
the first one quite close, 10 metres. He's about 25, 30. I'm worried about that sniper. Hold on, I see movement. It's them. Oh, such there we go. I saw someone like dead centre. Is he hit? He's moving around multi-cam. Yeah, there's a lot. Oh, not this again. Huh? We've got eyes on 12, but lot of cover. I can't fucking see a thing. No, I've got mesh on. I had that last time, it was sweat just blocking it up. Yeah, that's how you play airsoft. It's alright, extra protection, eh? Yeah, there's been... Oh, hello, hello. Oh. Yeah, he's straight on my 12, I think. This is where you need a mortar. A real one. That way they wouldn't be shooting.
Yeah. All your hits. Oh, I'm fucking dead.
Oh mate, you see this backpack on me?
Yeah.
On my back. Can you reach for the battery in it?
Battery.
Yeah, there's a battery in it. It's the top bit. You unclip it. It's in the clip bit.
It's a zip as well.
No, there's no zip. It's just a.
Ah! Oh, yeah, there's it.
There you go.
Ah, yeah, hit!
Cheers, buddy.
Sorry.
You guys are back, you might be able to face around.
Oh, I'm not dead yet. I knew that would fucking happen. New batteries in. Brain's still gone though. I'm going to crawl forwards. Receiving rounds. None do I. Between my 11 and my 12. That way obviously, which is now 6. It's probably all the ferns are in the way for me.